Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert a single PDF page to JPG on Mac. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. To convert a single select page from your PDF to JPG, use Mac's built-in preview app. Start by opening the folder that has your PDF file in Finder. Right-click your PDF file and select Open with Preview from the menu. In Preview, select the PDF page that you want to turn into JPG. Then, from the menu bar, select File Export. You'll see Preview's export window. At the top of this window, click the Export As field and type a name for your converted JPG file. Then, select a folder in which to save your file. In the bottom part of the export window, click the Format drop-down menu and choose JPEG. Drag the quality slider to the left to lower your resulting file's quality, or drag it to the right to increase the file quality. Optionally, click the resolution field and enter a value. You probably don't need to change this, however. Then, at the bottom of the export window, click Save to save your file. Preview will convert your selected PDF page to JPG. You'll find the resulting JPG file in your specified folder. And that's how you selectively turn a PDF page into JPG on your Mac. If you want to see how to convert an entire PDF file to JPG, the link of the video is in description. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.